In this video, we will show you how to install your extended mirror set on the Chevy Silverado. These will be mounted directly to your door. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the original mirror, we're going to make our way on the inside of the door and remove this triangular panel. You can do that using a plastic trim tool. You want to use plastic so you don't mar up your paint. Make our way right in between the door itself and that trim panel and gently pry it out of place. It does have 2 locking tabs and 1 angled hook. Double check to make sure everything's in good condition and we'll set that aside. Behind that area, you're going to find this foam pad. It's an insulator. Go ahead and take that right out of there. Now we'll continue on with our mounting nuts. You'll find there's 3 of them. We'll use a 10mm for each one of these pieces of mounting hardware. Now for the last one, we'll make sure we're holding onto the mirror along the outside of the door here, just in case it happens to fall out. Typically it won't because there are 2 locking clips right here that you will have to squeeze together to remove the mirror. If yours are damaged, the mirror may fall. Let's squeeze those 2 tabs in towards each other, and we can pull the mirror out of place. There it is, friend. We'll clean the mounting area here. A quick inspection to make sure nothing's rotted or damaged. Okay, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new extended mirrors. Carefully take this and put it in position along the outside of the door, slide it through, and start in each one of your 3 mounting nuts. Let's snug them up. Once they're snug, we'll torque these to 80 inch-pounds. Double check to make sure that's completely secured to the vehicle. Let's get this in here. For this, we have our 2 locking tabs and our 1 hook that will slide inside of the door here. Come in at an angle from the bottom first and roll it into place. Okay friend, we finished our extended mirror installation. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same as the other. Once you've completed that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test and test their functionality. Thanks for watching.